Hello, welcome all. After completing this navigation site in ASP.NET, today our session is about the login page. When we think about the login and login area, our first duty is that one, how it work and how it will work. In ASP.NET, if we want to build a login page, our website is already prepared. In your screen, your home page is working. Add new item. Into this add new item, we are preparing one normal web page. It will be not a master page copy or nothing else. It's a simple web page about the login page. So guys, we have that particular toolbox about that web page. It is default.aspx. I'm converting it as login.aspx. When I add it, login.aspx is available on my screen. It is not as master page, and if it is master page design copy, then we have to think about it. But you can clearly see this one. This is a very normal page within white layout and all that things is there. Guys, when we think about the login page is always having some username, password and so many things. And when we are discuss about the username and password and all that things, of course it will require the database. But before we start the database and inbuilt database SQL Server 2005, let me complete to watch out the toolbox overview. Into that toolbox we have standard toolbox, validation, navigation and login. Guys, this is a login tool where we can start up this. I drag and drop this login tool from this toolbox and I put it down in my web page. Now I move it at any place in my web page, because here by this one I can clearly understand. I will enter username in this text box, I will enter password in this text box, and I will check it out. But before I enter username and password, I require the database. For login process, we require the inbuilt database of SQL Server 2005. So I will move to website menu. Into website menu, we have web ASP.NET configuration. Please take care and notice on the menu move website menu ASP configuration. When I click it, by default website will be started about inbuilt administration of ASP.NET. This ASP.NET website will giving me the options security, application configuration, provide configuration. I click on security. When I click on the security, it will doing the process for configuration, username, role, create new user, and so many options will be available. But before we start, we can say that one existing roles too, no users are available. User security setup wizard configuration security step by step. So by this one we can just start. It is clearly mentioned in this particular thing. By default, user information is stored in Microsoft SQL Server Express database in data folder of your website. If you want to store user information in different database, you use the provide table selected the different provider. But presently we are using the wizard steps, so we click on that wizard, setup wizard ke upar click. When I click on that one, the wizard step will start one by one and steps will be going on my screen. The first step is welcome. It welcome me, that is a security management. It is written on my left side bottom side. When I click on next, it will ask me the method about access. How would you like to access this website that we call university website? Select access method from internet. It is a website environment, then we use from internet. But if we are develop this website for a local area network LAN, or we want to use a WAMP server or PHP or SQL configuration, then we will definitely have to click on from a local area network. Presently we click on from the internet. I click on next. It is decided that when my website will be created as the website internet. Advanced policy settings, it will be by default. We press next again. When we come to the next one, it will ask me some configuration about defined roles and all. Enable roles are there already. When I click on next, add new user, step 5 will come. It is the new role and all that things. Presently 2 roles are there, one is admin, one is manager. So when I click on next, it will skip the role, and now I come to that particular part that is called user creation. Here I am writing down my name abhijeet. Password will be minimum 6 character and alphanumeric. So first time I'm just typing JDEJ Jadeja 1 and 2, JADEJ 1 and 2, email abhijeet@hotmail.com. Security question, my favorite color, and the answer is black. When I click on create user, guys, remember my password is 6 character length, but it doesn't has any non-alpha numerical key, so it will not accept it. Just look at very clearly. It is clearly mentioned that when your password length will be minimum 7 character and non-alpha numerical 1 character is required. So I typed my password Jadeja, shift 1, 2 and 3. It will be more than 7 character, and shift 1, 2, 3 means non-alpha numerical. Again, confirm password will be same like the password JADEJ, shift 1, 2 and 3. Now check it out. Okay, fine. Create user. When I click on create user, my user is created. Next, it is allowed. Whatever you want to do it with this particular page. Deny means if you want to deny this user, to stop this user, to allow some activity. Presently we are open this user as a Abhijeet. When I have a login, I can do all that things. So I click on allowed, and when I press next, my user is created, completing security setups, and it tells me that thank you, setup wizard is finished. I reach and set step 7, it is complete. When I click on finish, it is done. And when I click on the finish, you can clearly see on my web browser existing user 1. If I want to create some more user, it is possible over here, but presently 1 user is enough. I'm just close this Internet Explorer, and when I close it, my login page is as it is. It is very simple that when your database is available in your server Explorer. Friends, my cursor will be moved on my server Explorer. In a server Explorer, I had a one database named ASP.NETDB.MDF. This is a SQL Server database. When I click on that one, I will get tables, views, stored procedure, and so many things. Among that one, I will reach to the table and we will catch it out how many users are there. Yes, we have table, views, stored procedure, functions, synonyms and types, but we are interested in tables, so I just use the tables. Membership is there. Right click on that particular table and show table data. When I just right click and show table data, that particular database and table will be available on my screen. Just look it out. In that particular things, we have one record. Let me wait for a while because that data is loaded. Yeah, fine. A very useful thing in this particular part is user ID and password is encrypted. If any person just reach to your database and table, you can clearly see that when user ID, I can't understand, it is A18EFBA1-8F1B. Same thing, the password will be written as U5VCEYIRD. So it's a one type of batch security that is possible. No doubt my email is open over here, abhijeet@hotmail.com. Lower email and another things is also there. So I'm just closes this. I just watch, I will just go to that particular part where our database is stored. Now we come to the login. When I click on the property, my property window will be open, and in my property window, one useful property is that destination page URL. Destination page URL means as per the name, it is clearly understand that one, the URL that the user is directed to open the successful login. Yes, whatever you think, it is very right. If our login is success, we will reach to what page, it will be decided over here, and by particular things I am selecting my home page. We click on OK and my login is over. Presently we have only one user, so guys, go to login page, set as a startup page, and once we set as a startup page, we execute. So just watch it and have fun. This login is prepared, your database is prepared. You doesn't require that if condition that when username and password is existing or not. Yep, your database and your login page is loading in your browser, and it particular username I will write down Abhijeet as a username, Jadeja shift 123 as my password, and we will check it out what will be happen with ASP.NET 2005 within this. Yep, it is going on, and username is there, abhijeet, Abhijit is there, JADEJ, Jadeja, shift 1 2 3, and I don't require to remember this one. When I click on the login, oh, it's the process is going on, and wow, it's my home page is loaded. Guys, it is so simple to understand that one, how we are preparing the database and username and all. Again, I click on the back. I will come to the main part, and I'm typing the incorrect password, HELLO, hello, shift 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a long password, but it is wrong. Let me check what is happening. Oh, your login attempt was not successful. Please try again. Oh, whenever I type JADEJ, Jadeja, shift 1 2 3, it will be accepted by that particular thing. It will internally checking, and my home page of a website is available on my front of screen. It is so simple, guys. Our login page is prepared. It is not like that this thing particular is over now. We would like to take some more tool about that login tool. This is my home page. In this my home page, I would like to print a message about welcome. So I click on that home page content placeholder. I press enter. I can make a space for that one, welcome, and after welcome I would like to require a particular thing as not navigation, but I require login. Into the login, login name is a very useful property for all of us. Just pick up it and drop it. Once you drop it, it will be available anywhere in your website or in your web page. You just pick up it and put it down nearby welcome. Yes, I'm just dragging nearby that particular thing. If you want to make it property something nice, formatting is there. Yes, you have some nice option also. In a font family is there, font name is there. Into that font name we prefer Arial black for this one. It's a very nice one. Now let me check it out. Our startup page is already login page. We execute the program. Let's take a look what will happen when I enter my username as Abhijeet, and the correct password will be there on my website. It will be available, either my username is right or wrong, and it will be available on my home page. Yeah, fine. This is my login page. Everybody know this. Abhijeet is a username. Jadeja, shift 1 2 3 is a password. When I click on login, oh, welcome Abhijeet. It's a nice name. It should be displayed over here. Welcome Abhijeet. Abhijeet is just below of this side, but don't be worried about it, because it is formatting can be possible, but we can know that one. Welcome Abhijeet. Abhijeet username carry forward automatically. Let me take a look and formatting about this. We can just use this welcome as a down, and we drag and drop particular things over here. We can also use username as some small size also. It will be making some problems. Font, into that font Arial block is a proper one, and it's fine. Now we would like to take one more tool about login. It is login view. When I drag and drop my login view, by default, oh, it's not login view we require right now, but we are deleting it. So right click delete, and we will pick up login status. It is useful for all of us now. When we drag and drop login status, we will catch it out from our top of the corner of the web page. Yes, it is available on my web page. Just click, drag, and come to that particular part nearby welcome page. Guys, click on that smart tag. Views logged out, not logged in. Fine. It's a logout. Go to property, logout action, logout image URL. Redirect to login page. It's a very useful thing. Redirect to login page. When I set it, it will be execution part. It is really good. Now we will not have a press of back button of this login. So in my login, again we have username, We have password. We have only one user named Abhijeet, and the password you people know very well. It's Jadeja shift 123. So guys, I'm typing my username. abhijeet is available. Jadeja Jadeja shift 123. When I logged in, check it out. I will come to my home page. Welcome Abhijeet is there, and when I click on log out, just check, I'm back, and it's a really good things we are already completed and covered it. So within this, what we can understand about this, it's a really useful thing for all of us. When we discuss about the login and login page and all that things, we must go to the toolbox. Into the toolbox, a login page is a very nice family tools. We doesn't require any type of event or any type of coding or any type of database, and anything doesn't require for this one. Now what we can do within this, we have some more tools also. Among this, we finished logged in. Password recovery, we will take it. Login status we completed. Login name we completed. And now create user wizard. It's a very useful things. We drag and drop in our content placeholder. Wow, when we drag and drop of this particular tools in my web page, it is available in my home page. Once it is available in my home page, I would like to just place it at my location where I want to require that particular thing. Just pick up it, drag and drop it, and place at the proper place of your home page. So guys, I'm just putting down at the proper location of my home page. Keep cool. Fine, it is available now. It is within this. I run the application. I'm doing nothing. I pick up only create new user tool in my home page. I will successfully log in, and once I will successfully log in as admin or anything else, I can create some more user also by that particular thing. Abhijeet. The password is Jadeja shift 123. Jadeja shift 123. When I type it, I am successfully logged in. It is welcome Abhijeet and all the things is there. Now I am preparing one more thing, that is Yugveer. It's a username. The password will be same, but I'm changing the password. HELLO hello shift 123. HELLO shift 123. Email is yug@gmail.com. My favorite color, it is blue, and I click on create user. Oh, complete. Your account has been successfully created. Now it's a time to log out. When I click on log out, I redirect to my login page, and now I will check it out about Yugveer. Yugveer is another user that we are recently creating in our database. The password is HELLO hello shift 123, and when I logged in, look what happened. Whoa, welcome Yugveer, logout is prepared, sign up form is prepared in your home page. So guys, if you want to create this username and password and sign up facilities, it is available in my home page. This is the home page. This is home page. You will all are welcome here. This page is demonstrated about the university example and so many things I'm written over here. So in a login view, we completed lots of things. We almost learned so many things. Now I make enter. I pick up this particular things. I put it down, that particular things in my content placeholder at the right side part. So I can use some change password facility also within this. So guys, let we take it and place it at the proper place where we want it. Good, going on. Now go to the toolbox, change password. I drag and drop my password over here. My password will be available on my home page. I doesn't require right now that things, so I bring it, change password tool, and I stretch it at my content placeholder at the bottom line. Yeah, it is available in here. I have some plenty space at the bottom line also, so just click bottom line and leave it. With the click, it is finally fixed. Great. Now I click on that one. I'm entering my username as Abhijeet. Password is presently JADEJ Jadeja, shift 1, 2 and 3. When I click on login, I am redirecting with the home page. Welcome Abhijeet with logout and all the facilities there. Now check it out. Change your password. I have to enter my old password, so JADEJ Jadeja, shift 1, 2, 3. I am entering my new password, that is INDIA India, shift 1, 2, 3. INDIA India, shift 1, 2, 3 and check. Change password. Look, change password completed. Your password has been successfully changed. Oh, why this? Sign up form is available for me. If I want to create one more user within this, I can prepare one more user, that is the username is BCA computer shift 1 is my password. Computer shift 1 is my password. BCA @ksv university.org. Favorite security question, my favorite color, and now I will check it as red. Look guys, BCA user I prepared. I worked two work I done, that is I changed my password and all that things. I logged out. When I click on it, I'm entering Abhijeet and I'm trying with my previous password. It is JADEJ Jadeja, shift 1, 2 and 3. When I check it out, this login, oh my god, my password is changed, so I have to remember my new password, that is INDIA India, shift 1, 2 and 3. And when I click on this login, yeah, I am successfully logged in with the welcome Abhijeet and logged out. Check it out if BCA user is prepared is not on yes or not. BCA and COMPUTER computer shift 1. It is my username. Check. Yes, welcome BCA is available. Logout is working properly. I can change. I can prepare so many new user within this. I can change the password and so many things is there. So guys, it is very simple to prepare a login database without creating a database. It is an inbuilt facility of Visual Studio 2005 and SQL Server inbuilt Express Edition will be provided here to do this one. For all of you, I am Abhijeet Jadeja for learning ASP.NET, available on Learn Through Abhijeet community channel available in YouTube. Thank you very much all.